ZIKV cases continue to rise. Good evening, and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. This evening, why some MPs want the government to declare ZIKV a public health emergency.
A US Senator wants more scammers extradited.
Former Mayor of Lucy shown at Horton in more hot water.
And in the business day, the impact of the currency depreciation on the national debt.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, in light of the increase in the number of Zika virus cases, should the government declare ZIKV a public health emergency?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.